Yebo sawubona to all soccer fans of the Premier Soccer League. Unjani, I hope it's fine and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you on this beautiful Tuesday, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we dive into our details, I would like to take this chance to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. So, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. Here we go. In a bold move that could shake up the local football scene, Kaizer Chiefs are believed to be eyeing Mamelodi Sundowns rising star midfield sensation Tapelo Maseko as Amakos gear up for a fresh start of the upcoming campaign of 2025-2026 under managerial guidance of Coach Nabi. The club has turned its attention to strengthening their midfield as they prepare to participate effectively in different competitions like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, MTN 80, as well as the prestigious KF Confederation Cup, and Maseko has emerged as a top target. Sources close to the situation suggest that the Chiefs have already made a district inquiries about the talented youngster whose creativity and agility have impressed many, especially after his standout performance in the African Football League. Insider revealed that Chiefs scouting team has been tracking Maseko for some time. Even before his move to Sundowns, they view him as a perfect fit for the new style of play being crafted at Naturena, a player with a flair, vision and energy to drive the team forward. While no official negotiations have been confirmed yet, the interest from Chiefs is really growing. Luring Maseko from the region champions, however, will be no easy task. Sundowns consider him as one of their key prospects for the future. Still, this potential pursuit signals serious intent from Kaizer Chiefs, a club eager to reclaim its glory and bring back the winning spirit of their faithful supporters. Will Tapelo Maseko be the next big name to light up Naturena? Only time will reveal the truth. What's your comment about this, please?